today we have this new wig that I ordered. She's called Valencia by Freetress Equal, and I got her in PB30. Oh, but that's kind of what she looks like. She's 1B at the top, and then the ends are the color 30. So that's where PB30 comes from. I guess it's like peekaboo 30. I guess that's what people were saying. But this is what she looks like. Take this netting off. I already like opened her up, but I didn't cut anything off because I kind of wanted to show y'all what she looks like straight out the box. So it wasn't this frizzy when I opened it up. But here's the stock card. It will focus. And she's giving shiny on camera, but I think that's just my ring light. But I don't know if y'all could see those little crinkles. So she does have crinkles. She's just a middle part. No lace to cut off at all. This is the inside. You have your 2 combs at the top and your 1 comb at the bottom, and of course your adjustable straps. So I'm gonna try her on for you guys. I know people were saying that she's not really big head friendly, and then some people were saying she was, but I have a big head, so. And she is like tight, but it's not like uncomfortable. Take my glasses off. I guess I could have cut the thing out, but here we are. But y'all will see her once I do whatever I want to do to her. But as y'all can see, the 30 color is super pretty. I just ordered this wig because I needed a straight black wig because mine tore like a couple months ago, so I don't have like a work wig that's just black and simple. But this is what the part is looking like straight out the box. So yeah, I mean, if you wanted to just wear her straight out the pack, you could. She doesn't look super wiggy to me, but I'm still gonna open up the part a little bit more and pluck her because I don't know, that's what I'm used to doing so much. But she's not a bad straight out the box wig, and she's super soft. I'm not getting any shedding right now, I don't think. Well, yes, I am. I had a few strands on me from brushing her, but it's not super bad. It is a synthetic wig, so that's what you're gonna get. So I'm gonna pluck the part, and then I will come back, as y'all know how this goes, with my makeup on. So stay tuned for that, and then I'll give y'all the specs where I ordered it from, and we'll be done. Hey y'all, okay, I'm back with the wig. Let me just tell y'all, she's a pretty wig, but she is a shedder. So this is the plucked part. This is how much I plucked out the part. Plus, in my brush, you can see like the strands from when I'm brushing her. She literally sheds. So I am going to put some powder. This is like loose powder, but I'm gonna put it in the part because I really don't want to put like makeup in the part. Not makeup, but foundation or concealer, because I feel like sometimes it looks fake. So I'm just gonna take this old setting powder that I don't use anymore and just, I guess I could show y'all, and just like dust it in the part and try not to get it. Don't be like me and get it on your hair, but just dust it. This video is going to be really quick, by the way, because I don't have nothing to really talk about as far as the wig, because it's pretty simple. It's not a lace frontal or anything. It's just a part. So I guess I could have showed y'all me plucking it to make it longer. But this is what she looks like with stuff in the part. That part right there is irritating me. That's what she looks like. I'm gonna sneeze, I think. I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all the inside again. 2 combs at the top, 1 at the bottom, adjustable straps. So I think I'm gonna go in and well, I don't have no wig cap on. I think I'm gonna go in and cut out the combs at the top just so it could lay flatter. Plus, I'm pretty sure to lay even more flat if my twists weren't so big. But I'm washing my hair tomorrow, so I'm not really worried about it. And you can put heat on her too. We'll talk about that later. I'm not using any glue because she's pretty tight on my head with the adjustable straps on. So like, I'm not even gonna play that game. It's a pretty wig, like I said. She just sheds. And she does tangle some, but it's not like super bad tangling to the point where you'll get annoyed. It's just like if you do too much movement, she's just gonna get stuck together. So you might want to bring a brush with you wherever you go. Ooh, close up. This is her all to the front. I'm 5'8.5". I like to say she comes to my belly button. This is her in the back. I don't know what she looks like. I hope y'all can see that. Side. Inside. Okay. So, real quick review. Freetress Valencia. Color PB30, Peekaboo 30. And the ends are the 30. The rest is 1B. I ordered her off of Amazon. She was cheaper on other sites, but then once you factor in the shipping, it all comes out the same. It looks like I'm sweating. I put too much highlighter down here. Anyways, it comes out the same. I paid $27.97 for her, and she came pretty quick. It's a 5-inch lace part, like I said, just from here to the end. I need to put like some black powder right there, because that's annoying me. She comes in several colors. I do want to try her in the blonde color. It was like, I think, blonde in the front. I can't remember, but I want to try that one. And it says she is heat friendly. I didn't put any heat on her. So, yeah, it says curling iron safe up to 400 degrees. So, this is Miss Valencia. As you can see, like I said, keep a brush on you. But other than that, she is pretty. And she's not giving me like super synthetic shiny. So, I showed y'all what she looked like straight out the pack, and I showed y'all with the pluck part. So she's wearable both ways. So I think that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions about how I do anything from like plucking to whatever you can think of, how I keep my wigs still looking nice, leave the comments below. I have other wig videos on my channel, so make sure you check those out. And I will see y'all when I see y'all. Bye, charms.